Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting review here on Sir Boat's Yacht. Today, we're diving deep into the world of maritime excellence with the Damen Stan Patrol 4207, a vessel that's turning heads and making waves in the patrol boat scene. Whether you're a seasoned sailor, a yacht enthusiast, or just someone curious about the high seas, this video is for you. We'll explore everything from its sleek design to its powerhouse performance, and even take a peek inside its cozy interior. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's set sail into the details of this incredible boat. Let's start with the key features that make the Damen Stan Patrol 4207 stand out. This isn't your average leisure yacht. It's a purpose-built patrol vessel designed for tough jobs like coastal defense, border security, and search and rescue missions. Measuring 42.8 meters in length and 7.1 meters in width, it's a compact yet robust ship that can handle a crew of about a dozen people, plus a few extra passengers if needed. One of its standout features is the ability to carry a 7.5-meter rigid inflatable boat, or RIB, which can be launched and retrieved from a hydraulic transom door while the vessel is moving. Pretty handy for quick response scenarios. It also comes equipped with advanced navigation systems, including radar and communication gear, ensuring the crew stays connected and on course no matter the conditions. For those who appreciate practicality, the ship has storage tanks holding 23 cubic meters of fuel, 6.5 cubic meters of fresh water, and 8.4 cubic meters of wastewater, making it ready for extended missions without frequent stops. This blend of functionality and modern tech makes it a reliable workhorse for maritime authorities worldwide. Now, let's talk about the design, because the Damen Stan Patrol 4207 is a real looker with a purpose. Built by the Dutch shipbuilding experts at Damen Group, this vessel sports a sleek, angular hull that's both stylish and functional. The standout here is the SeaAxe bow design, a clever innovation that slices through waves with minimal resistance, giving it superior seakeeping even in rough seas. This isn't just about looks. Less resistance means better fuel efficiency and a smoother ride, which is a big deal when you're out on the water for hours. The exterior is finished with a camouflage-inspired paint scheme in shades of gray and white, which helps it blend into the horizon for stealth operations, a nod to its military roots. The wheelhouse sits high and forward, offering the crew an unobstructed view and reducing motion sickness by placing them where the ship's movements are least felt. With its sturdy steel hull and aluminum wheelhouse, this boat is built to last, blending cutting-edge engineering with a design that's practical for its patrol duties. It's a vessel that says, "I'm here to work, but I'll do it with style." Moving inside, the interior features of the Damen Stan Patrol 4207 reveal a surprising level of comfort for a working vessel. The bridge is a high-tech command center with ergonomic control stations, each fitted with high-resolution screens displaying navigation charts, radar, and surveillance feeds. The captain's chair sits at the heart of it all, surrounded by panels of switches and communication devices, making it easy to manage the ship even in high-pressure situations. But it's not all work and no play. There's a relaxing area that feels like a cozy lounge, complete with soft gray and blue sofas, cushioned ottomans, and even a small library of nautical books for downtime. Large reinforced windows offer stunning ocean views, letting natural light flood in and creating a calming atmosphere for the crew. The accommodation includes 18 standard bunks spread across cabins on the main deck and below, all equipped with air conditioning to keep everyone comfortable during long missions. Practical touches like a water maker and sewage system ensure self-sufficiency, while the inclusion of a firefighting system and stabilizers adds safety and stability. It's a space that balances the demands of duty with moments of rest, making life at sea a bit more bearable. When it comes to performance aspects, the Damen Stan Patrol 4207 doesn't disappoint. Powered by Caterpillar diesel engines paired with fixed-pitch propellers and a Rientes gearbox, this vessel can hit a top speed of 22 knots, which is impressive for a patrol boat of its size. The SeaAxe bow plays a huge role here, reducing drag and allowing the ship to maintain high speeds even when the weather turns nasty. It's designed to operate safely in rough seas and strong winds, thanks to its superior motion characteristics that minimize rocking and rolling. The inclusion of VETH motor and bow thrusters with a 75 kilowatts capacity adds exceptional maneuverability, perfect for navigating tight spots like harbors or straits. With a range supported by its 23 cubic meter fuel capacity, it can handle long patrols without needing to refuel often, making it ideal for extended missions. The boat also features quantum stabilizers to keep it steady, which is a game changer for crew comfort and operational efficiency. Whether it's chasing down smugglers or conducting rescue ops, this vessel's performance is built to get the job done reliably. Finally, let's highlight the unique selling points that set the Damen Stan Patrol 4207 apart from the competition. One of its biggest strengths is its versatility. While it's designed for patrol duties, it can be adapted for peacetime roles like fishery protection, environmental monitoring, or even search and rescue, depending on the equipment fitted. The ability to launch and retrieve a rib while underway is a rare feature that gives it an edge in rapid response situations, allowing the crew to deploy smaller boats without losing momentum. The Sea-Axe bow design is another standout, offering unmatched seakeeping and fuel efficiency that competitors struggle to match, making it a cost-effective choice for maritime agencies. Its global adoption by over a dozen nations, including the Jamaican Defense Force and the Albanian Coast Guard, speaks to its proven reliability and adaptability. Plus, the inclusion of a cozy interior with ocean views in a library adds a human touch, boosting crew morale during long deployments. Delivered by Damen with life cycle support and local build options, it's a vessel that comes with a promise of quality and ongoing care. For anyone in the market for a patrol boat that combines toughness, tech, and a touch of comfort, the Damen Stan Patrol 4207 is a top contender. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at the Damen Stan Patrol 4207 from Sir Boats Yacht. This vessel is a testament to what modern shipbuilding can achieve, blending rugged functionality with thoughtful design and impressive performance. Whether it's patrolling the high seas or providing a home away from home for its crew, it's clear why this boat has earned its reputation. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more maritime adventures. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this patrol vessel out for a spin, or do you have questions about its features? Until next time, keep exploring the waterways, and I'll see you on the next voyage. Fair winds and following seas.